Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Google Pixel 8 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So to be able to show all the background apps, we have to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with, I believe, square icon or 3 bars icon. And if you've got the gestures, just swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and do it just like that. So it's quite easy in this device to open it. So here we've got all previously opened apps, and if you want to, you can close only one of it or 2 of them, just find it and swipe it up. But if you want to close all, simply go to the left and tap on clear all. And as you can see, we just got back to the home page, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.